If you're new to home automation or already living in a smart home, the one way you can enhance the beauty of your smart home is with smart lights. Among other brands, Philips has a vast amount of smart lights in multiple shapes and sizes that offer more for maximum personalization. Its lighting system can complement every corner of your room smartly, while creating a pleasant atmosphere for every occasion. Considering all the facts, we've rounded up the 5 best Philips Hue Smart Lights that can provide the overall best experience. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it.
Hey guys, welcome to Smart Home 101. Here, we will be sharing insightful videos to familiarize you with the idea of a smart home and automation tips. After testing and analyzing thousands of products, our team of experts have come up with buying guides, reviews, recommendations, and the latest buzz so that you are always up to date with the current smart home trends.
Synchronize your gaming scenario with your room lighting and enjoy your battle more, since the Philips Hue Lightbar creates aesthetic lighting effects with your game. By enabling your favorite voice assistant, you can experience hands-free control from anywhere in your room, which becomes very useful when your hands are busy. It's designed to adapt well to any room, as you can mount it on the back of your TV or lay it flat on the floor to brighten your walls from the ground to ceiling. Through the smartphone app and Hue Bridge, you can sync the light with your smart devices such as TV and smartphone to create the most beautiful backlight. So, if you want to enjoy your games with colorful lighting and also enhance your overall decor beauty, then the Philips Hue Lightbar has got you covered with its overall performance. Transform your space with millions of colors with the Philips Hue Gradient light strip, which takes surrounding lighting to the next level and splashes natural colors to every surface. This LED strip flawlessly blends multiple colors of light simultaneously, mimicking the content on the entire screen for an immersive, full-room entertainment experience unlike any other. To spend a memorable time with your love, you can get a seamless blend of colorful light and create a unique atmosphere from the mobile app. You can cut to size or extend up to 10 meters for the perfect fit, and its translucent rounded design will easily mix with your interior. All in all, with the help of Philips Hue Gradient light strip, you can enjoy your movies and TV shows like The Minute, or experience an unforgettable moment with your special one. Combining both classic design and modern performance, the Philips Hue filament bulb allows you to decorate your home with a retro ambient for your nostalgic occasion. You can elevate your decor style once you turn it on, and it will provide a warm yellowish brightness into your interior, keeping you cozy in every condition. After pairing it with your favorite voice assistant, it's ready to adopt your commands to ensure you can control illumination, scenes, and modes totally hands-free. Through its smartphone-compatible app, you can experience more possibilities, such as customizing lighting modes, adjusting brightness, setting the timer, and more. Not only that, you can control up to 50 light bulbs, and if needed, you can integrate all of them together without having any technical issues. In summary, if you want to elevate your home decor or outside scenario with retro style, the filament light bulb from Philips Hue will be a great option. Expand your property security and stay worry-free with the Philips Hue Discover Outdoor, which can provide impressive brightness in any situation. The built-in motion sensor can detect slight movement in its barrier and splashes 2500 lumens of brightness. Also, it can turn on every indoor and outdoor light that is already paired with it. This light is highly resistant to any weather, as the robust outdoor design lets it survive the elements year on year. Like other Philips Hue Smart Lights, you can also control it with an app or your voice, ensuring you can lead a more pleasant life than before. Deter unwanted guests and enhance your security protection to a whole new level with the Philips Hue Discover Floodlight, and stay relaxed about your property security. Coming to the final product, we like to introduce the Philips Hue White and Color aka A19 bulb, which may look like an ordinary bulb, but it ensures the overall best experiences in its class. From the available 16 million color options, it's more than simple to get started, since you can pick the ideal color to match your decor as well as your mood. It's designed to continue to work with your Hue Hub, as it's compatible with Bluetooth and can be seamlessly integrated into your current Hue ecosystem. You can control up to 50 smart lights all around your home. At the same time, you can create timers and routines to automate your entire smart home lighting setup according to your needs. Apart from that, you can also control your lights while away from your home, which becomes very handy to deter potential intruders and unwanted guests. Overall, the Philips Hue Single A9 can automate your entire smart home lighting setup and change your interior look from ordinary to extraordinary without messing up your budget. So these were the 5 best Philips Hue Smart Lights just for you. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.